Morning students, in previous class we solved theorem number 6.1 of this chapter lines and angles, and exam 6.1 and 6.2 have been solved before, and one problem of exercise 6.1 has been solved in previous class. Now I am going to solve question number 5 of exercise 6.1. In adjoining figure, POQ is a line, ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ, OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS is equal to half angle QOS minus angle POS. At first, draw the figure C5 number. Answer 5. In figure 6.17, POQ is a line, ray OR is perpendicular to a line PQ, OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS is equal to 1 by 2 angle QOS minus angle POS. Angle ROS is equal to It is given that POQ is a line and OR is OR perpendicular to PQ and OS is another line lying between OP and OR. We have to prove that angle ROS is equal to 1 by 2 angle QOS minus angle POS. Here angle ROS is equal to angle ROS बराबर angle POR minus angle POS, because sum of two angles POS and ROS is equal to angle POR. So we can write angle ROS is equal to angle POR minus POS, and also angle ROS is equal to angle QOS minus angle QOR. Now adding 1 and 2, we have ROS plus ROS is equal to angle POR minus POS plus angle QOS minus angle QOR is equal to अथवा 2 angle ROS बराबर angle POR is equal to 90 degree because OR is perpendicular to PQ, and angle minus POS plus angle QOS, and for angle QOR is also 90 degree plus 90 degree minus 90 degree cancelled, and angle 2 angle ROS बराबर QOS minus angle POS. Therefore angle ROS is equal to half angle QOS minus POS. It was to be proved. And another problem of this exercise is number 6. I am going to solve 6 number question. समझ रहे हैं? XYZ is chosen and XY is produced to point P. XY is produced to point P. So it's produced to draw a figure from the given but if ray YQ bisects angle ZYP.
हम अपना पूरा प्रिपरेशन हो जाती है। बरसाती इलाके हैं
YZ is angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree and XY is produced to point P and QY bisects. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, find angle XYQ and reflex angle QYP.
नवा बन गया सर ग्लेन माउथ बनाया शुक्ला 34 साल का मतलब
QYZ. XYZ. Cancel देखो it is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree and XY introduced to P. Draw a figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, find angle XYQ and reflects angle QYP. Here angle XYP is equal to angle XYZ plus angle XYP. ZYP. Now angle XYP is equal to 180 degree by linear pair. 180 degree is equal to angle XYZ बराबर 60 degree given and plus angle ZYP. यह angle ZYP बराबर 180 minus 60 4 degree बराबर 160 degree. Now angle PYQ is equal to plus angle QYZ बराबर 160 degree बराबर 1 PYQ प्लस एंगल QYZ बराबर इज इक्वल टू 160 डिग्री एंगल PYQ प्लस एंगल QYZ बराबर 180 डिग्री या एंगल PYQ प्लस और एंगल QYZ we can write angle PYQ because YQ bisects angle QYZ. YQ bisects angle PZYP. QYZ. Yes, adding two angle PYQ बराबर 160 डिग्री, therefore एंगल PYQ बराबर 180 डिग्री by 2 बराबर 58 डिग्री. एंगल PYQ hence एंगल QYZ also 58 डिग्री. एंगल XYQ बराबर एंगल XYZ प्लस एंगल QYZ बराबर 64 डिग्री प्लस 58 डिग्री बराबर 122 डिग्री. द रिफ्लेक्स एंगल QYP बराबर 360 डिग्री माइनस एंगल XYQ बराबर 360 डिग्री माइनस 58 डिग्री बराबर 302 डिग्री. Now in next period I will start exercise 6.2 and you will try to solve the examples of that exercise 6.2. Problem. Urgent problem, sir.